You have for takeaway. You have for takeaway.
I've been thinking to be happier, to be happier.
Where are you now?
Lately, I've been thinking. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become, in the cold light of day we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back, 'cause with all that has happened I think that we've both known the way that the story ends.
Before I love you, gonna leave you, before I'm someone you leave behind, I'll make it right so you don't break mine. Before I love you, gonna leave you, even if I am not here to stay, I still want you home. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in a fantasy? Where are you now? When you imagine it, you have to take away. You have to take away. You have to
Nobody know how to make. Lately, I've been thinking. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the evening falls,
these shallow waters never what I needed. I'm letting go at deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now?
Is that what came between us, or did we do this song? So how did we get here? I'm lost myself why I'm so caught up. Better if we do this song.
then only for a minute. I want to change my mind, 'cause this just don't feel right to me. I wanna raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave.
Under the light, the fake lights, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now?
want to change my mind.